Today we're making juicy chicken with roasted potatoes, colorful veggies, all cooked together in one pan. It is simple, packed with flavor, perfect for a busy weeknight, and cleanup is a breeze. Let's make 1 pan juicy chicken and roasted veggies. First, heat some olive oil and vegetable oil in a large pan. Once the oil is hot, add the chicken. You will notice I made a few slits in it so all the seasoning can get in. This is the only pan we will need today. Everything is going to cook right in here. One quick tip, place the meat side directly against the hot pan. That helps it brown beautifully and renders some of the fat, which adds even more flavor. Now season with 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon black pepper, some chicken bouillon for extra flavor. Try and spread it as much as you can on the chicken. I will also add paprika for that beautiful color. And lastly, a teeny tiny bit of nutmeg. For this recipe, skip the 1 and 2 hour marinade. We are keeping it quick, but trust me, the chicken will be so juicy and packed with flavor. Let the chicken cook undisturbed until it develops a nice golden color. Just pierce a few times with a fork so the seasoning can get in. Now once the chicken is nicely golden on one side, flip it over. Look at that beautiful golden color. By the way, you can use whatever chicken you like for this recipe. All drumsticks, all thighs, or a mix of everything like me. Whatever you prefer works. Now it is time to add the veggies. I'm using 3 medium potatoes cut in half. To that, I will add some carrots and onions. I have here 3 carrots cut in half and baby onions. By the way, this is the perfect place to use whatever veggies you enjoy. Let me know in the comments below what veggies would you add. Now season the chicken and veggies with the same spices: salt, black pepper, chicken bouillon, paprika, and nutmeg, so everything is evenly seasoned. One thing I really love about one-pan meals is that everything cooks together, so all those beautiful chicken juices ends up flavoring the potatoes and veggies and everything else. To that, I will squeeze the juice of 2 lemons and pour in half a cup of water. Cover and let everything cook for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, uncover the pan and flip the chicken back so the meat side is against the pan again. It will pick up even more color and all those flavorful juices from the bottom of the pan. Now it is time to add the sliced garlic. I'm adding it at this stage because I don't want it to burn. This way it stays fragrant and gives the whole dish a wonderful garlic aroma. Cover again and let everything finish cooking. Mine took about another 40 minutes. This is looking so good. To finish, add 1 chili pepper, some fresh lemon zest, and a little chopped dill. This combination is absolutely magical. The freshness from the lemon and the dill brings the whole dish to life. Just look at that glossy sauce. It is hard to believe this all came together in one pan with barely any prep. If you enjoyed this recipe, give this video a like. This was a delicious, quick and easy 1-pan juicy chicken, potatoes and roasted veggies. If you would like to see more 1-pan recipes, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss any recipes. Thank you for watching Meals by Mary and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.